Good morning, everyone. It's currently 5 a.m. right now, and I'm on my way to my morning training. I slept so early yesterday. I slept at like 9:20 p.m. because I'm not feeling my best lately. I was taking up meds for my sipon.
Gawa muna tayo ng 1650s.
Dapat lagi daw nandito.
Ilan lang? Apat?
What does it feel like to be 24 years old? Ay, inupo pa, guys.
So hard. First day ko pa lang, nilulunod na nila ako. Parang maraming may galit sa akin ah.
How's the training for my fellow sprinter?
So good. Focus on quality.
Quality over quantity.
Like distance.
Kami, sobrang hirap ng workout. As in, see how hard the workout is.
Bilis lang, easy.
Easy na pero hindi nakuha yung target time.
Sa sobrang easy, namatay ako.
How are you, Jaren?
Yun.
Good. Sa sobrang pagod, di na siya makasalita.
Best time
Guys,
ako, best time.
ito yung pinakamahirap na part ngayon, yung workout, yung nilulunod nila ako. Si Janelle yata yung nang
Uy,
sa akin.
uy, hindi si Alex yun. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.